Let's calculate the division of complex numbers we see on the screen. We can see that we have a division with two complex numbers in the binomial form. For doing this division, what we have to do is copy again the fraction, and then you have to multiply the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate of the denominator. Well, because what we want to do is finding a complex numbers that substitutes the fraction, that is a number plus another number times I, and this is the steps you have to follow. Multiplying the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate of the denominator. This conjugate is just changing the sign, so we will have 1 minus 2 times I divided by 1 minus 2 times I. Let's operate the denominator. This is an addition by the difference, so the formula for this is the square of the first number minus the square of the second number. Now let's multiply the numerator, so we will have 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times minus 2i is minus 4i, and now minus I times 1 is minus I, and minus I times minus 2i is plus 2 times I squared. This would be equal to, the numerator would be 2 minus 4i minus I is minus 5i, and plus 2 times I squared. And what is I squared? As we know, I is equal to the square root of minus 1. So I squared would be equal to the square of the square root of minus 1, and this is equal to minus 1. So we would have plus 2 times the minus 1, and the denominator would be 1 squared stays 1, and now minus 2 squared times I squared. Now let's go with the numerator again. We have 2 plus 2 times minus 1, so we'll have 2 minus 5i minus 2, and the denominator would be 1 minus 4 times minus 1. We can cross out both of the 2's there, and we will have just on the numerator minus 5i, and the denominator would be 1 minus 4 times minus 1, that was I squared, 1 plus 4, so this is minus 5i divided by 5. We can simplify it, so the result is just minus I.